So I've just finished work and I'm absolutely shattered. The last thing I really want to do right now is to be cooking loads of like complicated ingredients and recipes. So I'm going to do something really simple tonight. So it's going to be a miso rice and veggies dish. It's super simple in that there's only a few ingredients involved. The highlight ingredient was the miso paste. I'm looking forward to making it, so let's get started. So one of the great things about frozen veg is that you can just decide spur of the moment to add in extra ingredients. So we've decided to use some extra sweet corn, some edamame beans and some broccoli. It wasn't in the original recipe, but the fact that they're just in the freezer and it bulks it out and it adds even more nutrition, you know, why not? So this is the key ingredient for this recipe. It's a miso paste. You can make so many different recipes out of this, so many different dishes. The main obvious one would be like a soup, but if you've got this lying around, you can always have a meal with the rice and any like vegetables you've got left over, which is pretty much what we're doing. It's got like a kind of like nutty, savoury taste, I would say. Would you say that? And yeah, it smells quite nice, quite nutty. What do you think? Too much? So I'm adding sesame oil to the frying pan to fry the vegetables in, because that really adds like to the flavour of the overall dish. You might think that olive oil or another oil will be fine and it'll cook fine, but it's part of the dish really, the sesame oil, so if you've got it, that's even better. Try some. It's just a really like tasty dish. It's just some rice, some miso paste, some vegetables from the freezer, and it's just really good. I'm gonna finish now because she's waiting for me to finish. But if you like this recipe and you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all very soon. So we've used the miso veggie dish, which is really simple. We'll cook some rice. Let's do it again, let's start again.